Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word christened. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The baby was christened in the family's church with all of their loved ones in attendance. Christened refers to the act of baptizing a person in the Christian faith, typically involving water and a naming ceremony to welcome them into the religion. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.